We know a lot about Gold Leaf, but really what we want to do is get into a conversation with you just about what you've seen in the digital shift and digital transformation through the vehicle in the way of Gold Leaf today. But before we jump deep into that, why don't you just introduce yourself to the listener? Tell us a little bit about your story. Tell us a little bit about Gold Leaf and what's got you to this point in your career.
Yeah, cool, for sure. I mean, it's the story kind of wraps up with how did a guy with no real software formal training end up starting a couple of software companies? Um, but if you go back a couple decades, I've got a mechanical engineering degree, and I spent some time working for a forestry equipment manufacturer, and that's where I started learning about hydraulics. And fast forward a bit, I worked at a mining consulting company, and we did some engineering there, also in hydraulics and machine design. And then about maybe 13 years ago, I took a bit of a shift and was looking for something different, and started working at a small company that was selling hydraulic hose. They go by the name Multiflow Solutions now. I spent 11 years there, and I was in charge of the engineering team and the outside sales team when it all wrapped up. But through the course there of really understanding a small business and all the challenges that go along with, specifically in that space, hose assemblies and all the data involved, um, led me to kind of want to start something new a couple years ago.